Today I'm going to make a bracelet with you. I am using the Rainbow Loom. If you want to buy this, I put a link in the description. I am starting on the side with the red arrow. The open part of the circle faces forward. Put your bands on the loom like this. You make a crisscross pattern and placing bands on top of each other. You can make it as short or as long as you want. When you get to the end, turn the loom the other direction. Double up a band on the end. Grab your crochet hook. Pull the bottom band over the top one and on to the next peg. Place your C-hook. Put it through both bands. Now you're ready to take the bracelet off the loom. Connect your C-band at the end with the last loop in the bracelet. And there you have it, a bracelet. You could even put it in a bag to give to one of your friends. It would make a really cute friendship bracelet. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.